how to clean all cache, temp and junk file in Windows 10. It will fast your computer and help you get a better computer experience. So let's begin the show. First, press the Windows key and R together on your keyboard to open the run box and then type preface in the blank field. Then click OK. Now click on continue. As you can see, all junk files show here. For select all files, press the Ctrl and A keys together. Now hit the delete button from your keyboard. Click on skip. If there is a file, it is running somewhere, no problem. That's it. Go back. Once again, press the Windows key and R together. Then type temp in the blank field. Then click on OK. For select all files, press the Ctrl plus A keys together and then hit the delete button. That's it. Go back. Once again, press the Windows key and R key together. Same process. Type %temp % in the blank field. Then click on OK. All unnecessary files show here. For select all files, press the Ctrl and A keys together and then hit the delete button. Some of the files may not get deleted. You can click on skip. If again show and does not get deleted, that is absolutely fine. You can leave as it is. Last and advanced process. Go to the search box in the bottom left corner. Then type disk clean up in the search box and click on enter from your keyboard. In the disk cleanup, select C drive or other drives you want to clean. Then click on OK. Tick the files you do not need. You can also tick all if you want and click on OK. Now click on delete files. That's it. At the end, clean your recycle bin. That's it. So I hope you have enjoyed the video and I will see you next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.